Hey, y'all, Bear here. It's Tuesday. That's right, it's Tuesday. It's time for camp cooking. And we're going to do some roasted sausage, sweet potato, and white bean stew. And wouldn't you know it, I did it again. I left an ingredient at home. So we're going to pretend we have a leafy green like kale or spinach to go in this. I've got some really nice baby spinach at home. I guess I'm going to make myself a nice spinach omelet in the morning. So this is what we've got for this today. We've got cannellini beans, and if you're trail hiking it, get the dehydrated stuff. Red wine vinegar, thyme, low sodium chicken broth. We got ourselves a fatty sausage, that's right. Garlic, sweet potato, sweet onion, olive oil, pepper, salt, water. Let's cook. We're going to start off by roasting up some vegetables in the old GI pan on the camp grill. And so we're going to get stuff in there, and then indirectly I'm just going to cover it and let it roast like an oven. If you're kind of bushcrafting away and doing this at camp, you could just roast up the potato and onion on a grate over the campfire. And I'm going to cut this sweet potato fairly small so I can get bites of everything on my spoon with my cannellini beans and my onion. So everything's going to get a pretty small dice today. I'm going to try to get everything down about the size of those beans. Let's see, let's put a little olive oil in the roasting pan. Run away, sweet potato. It's all right, we have heat and dwell time for food safety. That piece of sweet potato is gonna be okay. Let's see, I think I probably want about a third of this onion. It's kind of funny, when I was out buying groceries for all this and some other meals, and I was buying some yellow onions also, and the yellow onions were white and the Vidalias were yellow. Who knows? Had I thought through how I was going to cut this just now, I would have left that root end on to hold all this together. That would have made life a little easier. That's okay. We're just going to call it a rustic chop. That makes it all better. And we're just going to cut the garlic into nice little slices. And in with the thyme. All right, some pepper, some salt, a little bit of olive oil on top. Let's give everything a nice little mix and coating the olive oil and the salt and pepper. All right, let's go roast this stuff. We're gonna do it indirect. Y'all wanna come with me out to the grill? We'll get it going. Oh, there goes the bell. Time to cook. I'm gonna move my coals over. Hopefully I still got a good base to work with here. And we're gonna put the vegetables on indirect. And there we go. We're roasting. I don't know, maybe we'll let them hang out for 15 minutes or so. I almost forgot we were supposed to throw the sausage on top of the vegetables, but you know what, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let the vegetables cook for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll throw this on there because this is already cooked. Now I'm gonna slice these chunks on a bias. That way I expose a large portion of the inside of the sausage. See, so we get that. Focus. See the difference? So I want all those innards. I want all those guys exposed. Each one of these sausage sticks, if you find this brand, and I find it at my QT gas stations, but each one of these are 2 ounces for your recipe conversion. All right, let's go spin my vegetables around so I get the heat on the other side of the pan and top them off with the sausage. Whew, y'all are all zoomed in. Zoom out. All right, there we go. Let's take a walk. Got the sausage. All right, so I've done a few things here. Let's see, I got myself a little thermometer in there. Ooh, wow, we're up to about 250. We're gonna grab this guy. We're gonna spin it around. Put my thermometer back in. Spread the sausage out so everybody gets a little happy. Somebody at the park decided it was time to cut grass. Don't they know I'm making a video? People. There we go, lid on. We're going for another 15 minutes. I'll say this, those park grills, they're a standard size. So if you wanted to, you could build a topper to bring along with you when you go camping. Just look up the dimensions for a park pedestal grill. Anyhow, we got 15 more minutes. We'll see in a bit. All right, y'all, Bear here. We've been roasting our vegetables for, I don't know, about 30 minutes, maybe just a little more. So what we're gonna do now is start adding our other ingredients, and we're gonna move it over to direct heat. We're up about 300 on the far side there, under my little homegrown oven here. We're gonna start adding some cannellini beans, a little red wine vinegar. It's about a cup of water, chicken broth. And now let's give this guy a stir, mix that broth in. I'm gonna give the broth just a quick taste. I might add a little pepper, maybe a little salt, not too heavy-handed though, because there's gonna be salt coming out of that sausage. Oh, I want my sprig of herb in there too. Fresh sprig of thyme. Let me back you out. We're gonna move it over. Gonna move it right over the coals. Little oven thermometer in there. It's kind of interesting knowing what kind of heat I'm generating in this process. There we go. And I'm gonna let it hang out for about 15 minutes, see what we get. All right, let's get a quick peek. I think we're ready. Yeah, we've reduced down nicely. I'm gonna get rid of that guy. Come here. Get out of there. All right, so there's our finished product, our cannellini bean stew, and let's dig in and eat it. It's gonna be good. We're eating out of the cook pot today. My wife was here earlier. I accidentally sent her home with my clean bowl. I won't burn myself. I just got off the grill. Man, this GI pan, this mess kit half, it works great on the grill. Oh, you can't get it in a Mountain House bag. Oh man, that's good. Look here, we'll see you on the trail.